Oh, Lord have mercy, these birds are taking my squirrel's food. Savages. It's like a bird frenzy out there. These poor little things. There's all kinds of them. Look at that.
And they're all together.
Yeah. Everybody and their brother came. Must be starving. I'm not doing too well on this whole. The old bird frenzy. I don't know what's so special about today. I feed them every day. I mean, this little guy, he's like, hey, girl. I swear nothing's different. But I came over here to look out and had to record this for everybody because I couldn't believe it. I've never seen this many birds at one time together in my yard. So I had to share it, of course, with y'all. It's crazy. And that little one that came up on the windowsill, it's kind of cool. Oh, good Lord. That scared me. Hope that baby's all right. Oh, scared the crap out of me.